What up, guys? It's your boy King Joffy Joe 413 back for another one. What's going on, Kim? You know what I'm saying? We have Pride in Plainfield. This is where all the bikers meet. All the fellas over there. Little all-female group right there. Little female chicks group. Saying, y'all see right there? My man, he got the sticker on the visor. Loving it. He got the King Joffy Joe sticker on the visor. The 750. Waiting for one more guy to get here in the Ryker. This boy about to get left. A's supposed to be getting up today. He said he's gonna be around 4. It's like almost 3:30. Ladies on the bikes.
Westfield, and it was a nice little group of us. It was nighttime. We were just leaving the bar, and you know when you're jumping on the Mass Pike, it's that fucking big bend.
Yeah.
So everybody slowed down but him, and he was like on a twist. Bro, he fucking hit the curb and jumped up, and he jumped up like 3 times, bro. Fucking flew off the thing, bro. And we're like, what? Fuck. How the fuck you managed to do that shit? That shit was so crazy, man. Yeah, that shit looked crazy, bro.
Yeah.
He was just like, I thought he was gonna get it, you know what I mean? Maybe if he would have let go of the fucking throttle.
Nah, he probably whiskey throttled.
Yeah, bro, it was like, wow. Just see him fucking fly off. I was like, oh my god.
Yeah, that was...
He landed inside like the grass and the dirt part.
Yeah.
That shit was crazy.
That was whiskey throttle. That's what happened. I think I was hitting those bumps like.
He like top started the fucking bike and we all took off. He went one way, we all jumped on the bike and kept moving.
We out?
Yeah, we're just waiting for this chick to fill.
What's she waiting for the last minute for?
I don't know.
Alright guys, we're finally off. We were here for freaking ever. Exit 27, that's far.
But I'm right. They never been there a day in my life. So I go. stand as a man with these gloves on. Slow beating his grind, sound like a love song. Benz custom model, I need the dividends in my ear. Custom model, I hear him whispering. Say, Gordo, make sure the punches keep coming. Had to get it on my own, can tell me nothing.
Follow me out the darkness to the light, and I'ma keep putting up this fight. People say that I'm heartless, but I'm right. They never been to redeem my life. So I gotta go and get it on my own. So I gotta go and get it on my own. So I gotta go.
Demolition man's an animal.
He's good. He's up. He's good. He's up walking. He's walking though. He's up walking. Nah, he's walking. I'm saying he's good. He's walking. What happened? He took the turn, he didn't lean in the turn, and he fucking went out too wide. I got it on video. It's gonna be on YouTube, sorry.
No disrespect, he's alive, so that's...
Yeah, nah, he got up, he was walking, he was fucking good. He didn't fall fast either though.
Yo, he got it recorded. He got it recorded?
He went out too wide. He was going like, yo, he was going like 30, yo. He wasn't going that fast when he fell. He went out too wide. He was going too, he went like 30, he was going like 30. He was going out too wide and he fucking slipped out and fucking hit the guardrail. He got up though.
This is not my old bike. I can't go 1,000 miles an hour.
He can't get up and he got up and started walking right away.
27? Exit 27, baby. Yup, keep going all the way. Yup, going toward Hartford, exit 27, baby.
But he's up though, and the cops there. I don't know if he's gonna get up for speeding. We was floating.
He wasn't shooting though.
Nah, when he fell, he was doing like 30 yo.